He's home. We're here in the yard. You can some puppy. We're gonna bring Lex here in a minute. Meet the puppy. Duke. Just
Easy.
babe, keep him away, babe.
Easy. It's okay. It's okay.
It's okay.
It's okay, puppy. Hey, quit licking.
It's okay. Oh,
It's okay. Easy.
you couldn't hold the dog?
He was pulling. I was pulling back.
Maybe you don't have him lashed around right.
Well, I know.
That would have helped.
It's okay, puppy. It's okay, Lex.
Hi, baby.
Hey, come here. Quit
Lex.
licking, Lex.
Yeah.
Easy. It's okay, puppy. It's okay, dude.
Poor puppy got traumatized.
Oh, yeah, he doesn't know the dog.
No shit.
Easy, Lex. Easy, Lex. Easy.
There we
you
go.
Good boy. Good boy, dude. Good boy, Lex.
Poor puppy got scared.
It's okay. It's okay, Lex.
He's good.
Boy.
They're good.
Good boy, Lex. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy, Lex. Good boy.
It's not dinner, Lex.
You say hi? Look, he's bigger than me. I don't know him. Easy, Lex. Easy.
Destructive hail. Shit.
Well, if it is, that fucking SUV is going in that
Going in what?
unused parking spot.